I don't know about you, right? But sometimes you just want to test your skill on different types of instrumentals, or maybe you might get asked to feature on a track and the instrumental used for that song is one that you're not used to rapping on. It's from a different subgenre of rap. So that will be the main topic of today's video. We're going to talk about how to flow on different subgenres of rap. So determining the appropriate cadence for beats from different subgenres of rap hinges on discovering the tempo. As long as you grasp the basics, you're good to go. So the basics being these 4 beats that make up a bar, and you can identify these 4 beats by using a 4 count. Also remember that what makes each different subgenre of rap unique is the tempo, which controls the speed of these 4 beats. So for the background beat that I'm using in this video, it's a 140 BPM grime instrumental, so the 4 count will sound like 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. If it were a hip hop beat, it would sound way different because they are typically slower, 80 90 BPM, but you get my drift. And those are the basics. So to maintain the right tempo, tracking the snare and the kick drum rhythms can be very helpful. You need to be mindful about the speed at which you say your words. Take note of where your words land in relation to the snare kick drum. So on a beat like the background beat I'm using now, the kick drum will land on your 3rd beat, so you know your rhyme wants to land right after that, if you know what I mean, or maybe right on that, just to keep you in sync with the instrumental and keep you in flow. If you're accustomed to rapping on grime beats as I am, it's relatively easy to transition to a drill beat, as the tempo is quite similar. It's around 140 BPM. Transitioning to trap beats can also be straightforward, as some can be quite fast, falling within the 130 to 150 BPM range. However, if you attempt to rap over a hip-hop instrumental using your grime lyrics, you might find it challenging. These beats are typically slower, so your lyrics might not align as you originally intended, as you can imagine. So just to play you an example of what I mean, I'm going to play you a quick excerpt of some lyrics I wrote to a drill beat, and I'm going to play that excerpt right now.
Cause most of us found we're confused and we're lost. Spent most of our time taking bruises and lost. Don't know what to do, like we're needing a boss, or needing instructions, the feeding is off. Failing to finding the meaning of God, so I say let's define our meaning ourselves. Yo, look deep in yourself, what path do you see? What man should you be? Awaken the beast, don't let the fear start taking your peace.
Alright, now I'm going to take those lyrics and wrap them over the background instrumental that you're hearing whilst I'm doing this voiceover, just to show you how easy it is to interchange between instrumentals that have a similar BPM.
Cause most of us found we're confused and we're lost. Spent most of our time taking bruises and lost. Don't know what to do, like we're needing a boss, or needing instructions, the feeling is off. Failing to finding the meaning of God, so I say let's define our meaning ourselves. Look deep in yourself, what path do you see? What man should you be? Awaken the beast, don't let the fear start taking your peace.
Right, so there you have it. Excuse the rough recording, I just did it while I was also doing this voiceover, so there you go. Understanding how to identify a bar and find the 4 count is essential, as it allows you to adjust your flow to match the tempo. Sometimes simply slowing down or speeding up your flow is enough to match a tempo from a different subgenre of rap. However, there may be times when you need to add or remove syllables. When you come across an instrumental that you've never heard or rapped on before, it can be very confusing and disorientating, but there's a way that you can almost guarantee that you find a way to flow to that beat that will work, and that is the scat, or rap rhythmically over the beat whilst spouting nonsense to find a flow that's in sync with the instrumental.
Share by the bump with the 1-2 kick. Share by the bump when I come through quick. Back to the bump with the set to pop. Everybody knows that tap. Back of the funk when I run with the pack. Hitting my front real quick with the back. Everybody knows you a prick like that. Fuck, wanna test me, I'm a lyricist. Back of the funk when I build like a pyramid. So everybody knows I'm straight up. Kill a prick, take man out of the game like what? Fetch that I want when I come through quick.
Record that scat or nonsensical rhythmical pattern over an instrumental in a DAW, a DAW. Listen to it over and over again until your brain can add actual words whilst implementing the cadence while still sticking with that rhythm. And that is basically my last resort thing that I would do, something that works for me quite often. Scat if I get stuck on how to approach a certain kind of instrumental that I've never heard before. So that's literally all the methods that I use if I'm attacking a different subgenre of rap, and I like to rap on boom bap, hip hop, drill, trap, grime, crunk type beat, drum and bass instrumentals and all kinds of instrumentals. I just enjoy rap in general. These are things that always work for me. I hope they work for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. And if you've got any suggestions, anything that you'd like me to make a video on that you're struggling with, put it down in the comment section and I'll see if I can tackle that subject in a later video. With all that being said, I'd like to say a big thank you to all my subscribers before I go. Channel won't be a thing without you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.